Hola clase, esta noche ustedes van a aprender más de las palabras interrogativas. I'm going to be speaking more, whereas you're going to be writing what I say. So for each slide with a new palabra interrogativa, you need to write the definition and any ejemplos that I give you. Tu primera palabra interrogativa es ¿qué? Make sure you have an accent on the E. Every question word always has an accent within the word. ¿Qué means what? It is used more specifically for a definition, such as ¿qué es la historia? What is history, por ejemplo? Also for profession. ¿Qué es ella? What is she? ¿Es profesora o es autora? Finally, it's also used for nationality. ¿Qué es señorita? ¿Es latina o es polaca? Please write down at least a few of those definitions and those ejemplos. Next, let's talk about cuál and cuáles. Escríbanlo, clase. Cuál y cuáles. Cuál is just the singular way of saying it, and cuáles is if you're talking about plural. They mean which, or which among the many. Por ejemplo, you use it to request specific information or a selection from a number of possibilities. Por favor, clase, escríbanlo. It also can mean which ones. So you use it to basically choose between two or more persons or things, just like in English, which. So, por ejemplo, ¿cuál es tu color favorito? I say cuál as in which as opposed to qué as in what is your favorite color, because there are many options to pick from, and I'm asking you to specify which one is your favorite of all of the colors. That's the difference between cuál and qué. It's which among the many options that you have would you choose. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? ¿Cuál es su apodo, your nickname? What's your nickname of all the many that there could be? So remember, qué is more for asking for a definition, a profession, a nationality. ¿Cuál is when you're requesting specific information or a selection from a number of possibilities. Please write down the notes that I had just given you. Next we have quién and quiénes, which means who or whom. Por ejemplo, ¿quién es tu amigo? Who is your friend? You could say, ¿a quiénes conociste? Whom have you met? Pretty straightforward. Just please write down an ejemplo and what they mean. ¿Por qué? Means why. Notice that it's two words versus one. If it was por qué without any space, it would be because. ¿Por qué with a space means why. Por ejemplo, ¿por qué se rompió el coche? Why did the car break down? ¿Por qué se rompió el coche? ¿Dónde? Means where. Por ejemplo, ¿dónde está Miguel? Where is Miguel? ¿Dónde está Miguel? ¿Cuándo? When. Think back to Spanish 1 or 1A. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo means how. Like, ¿cómo estás? You might think ¿cómo means what, because you know ¿cómo te llamas, and you know that when you literally translate, it doesn't actually mean what is your name. It means how do you call yourself. ¿Cómo te llamas? So, por ejemplo, you could just write ¿cómo estás? how are you? ¿Cuánto means how much or how many. Remember, this is an adjective technically. It's an adjective question word. So if it's a feminine noun following it, it's going to be cuánta. Same with masculine and plural, cuántos, and feminine and plural, cuántas. So, por ejemplo, ¿cuántos años tienes? How old are you? How many years do you have? ¿Cuántos años tienes?